Hello guys, Steve here, RC. I'm at the Kyosho Dunemaster. I picked up this light kit on eBay. There's like 4 white LEDs. There's like a square looking lights. I don't know if you could see them there, but I'm not going to use them on the front. I'm going to see if I could put the lights in the front. I'll probably have to take these stickers off maybe. And then on the rear over here, there's like holes. I'm gonna see if I could put some of these light buckets, like 2 of them right there, and paint them red so the rear will have like red lights. So let's bring this bad boy to the workbench and get to work. See if I could do it. Alright guys, I got the body off. Let's take a look at these lights. The wires may not be long enough. There's the screws they give you. Stickers. There's the lights. The lenses. All the goods. Now here's the lights. I hope these wires are long enough. Knowing my luck, they probably won't be, but you never know. Let's see. They might be long enough. Let's see. Say, what a mess. Say you run the lights to here in the front. Oh yeah, I think they'll be long enough. Let me see. Let me undo this. It's a mess, guys. I just don't want to go straight. I'll give it a yank. I don't want to mess it up. Alright. Still ain't good. I think it's long enough. Let me see if they were there. Yeah, it's plenty long enough. I think it was meant for a crawler, so. So what I have to do now is get the backs of these right there. Sorry for hitting the camera. And unscrew them and put them in there. Got a little Phillips head screwdriver, I think. Or is that Allen? Oh no, they used the Allen keys. Nice. Let me see what I got and I'll be right back. Alright, I colored the LEDs red with a paint marker, and the lenses also red with a paint marker. It's probably not going to be bright, but I used to have the transparent Tamiya, but you guessed it, the lid was open, it dried. So we have that. And I'm going to screw these beauties on the rear over here. 2 of these buckets. Can't see them, they're over here. Alright, I have this RC screw kit, and the smallest thing I have are these. So we're going to try them out. See if I have it right. Alright, let's see if I can get this to work. Now, does that fit through that hole? Yeah. Alright, I assembled everything back on in the rear here with this bar here. I didn't want to bore you with it all. But I have the lights on. And then I have them on the front. I gotta do all the wire with tie wraps and stuff. I have the yellow stickers on there. I think, let me know in the comments if you think I should peel them off and just have the white light showing through a clear lens. But that's the back. Now, I'm gonna see what happens when I put this painted lens in there. I think it may be, if I could, oh yeah, Steve, you're good. Ah, double good. Alright, try number 2. See if I could get this to go in. They don't fit too well. Come on. What the hell? There it is. Oh, there it goes. It just popped in. They're probably going to fly out when I crash. I hope not. This one has like a burr on it. Let me see if I can get it off. Right there. I probably won't even see them in the daytime, only at night, these rear. There it is. Well, how's that look? Let's put the body on real quick and I'll show you guys. Like I said, I got to do the wiring. I ain't going to do that now to bore you. Alright, so now that's what it looks like in the back. And then when you see it, it got the lights out the back. And then the front has the lights in the front, but let me know in the comments. I think I should pull these off maybe and have the clear lenses. Let me shut the lights off and see what it looks like. Hold on. That's what it looks like. For my eyes, it's covered up with the yellow. If I pull it off, it'll look like a real headlight. Let's see the back. Oh yeah, it's sweet in the back. Look at that. Alrighty guys, I ain't gonna show you me doing all the wiring and tying it down and stuff. But that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. I got the light kit to work. It looks like the only thing I have to do is like right here on the LEDs, maybe go with a little black so you don't see them. But that's it. Let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know about these covers, on or off. Let me know. And I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Steve here, and I'm gone with the Dunemaster. Later, guys. Appreciate you all.